Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or even your pet? The Apple AirTag 4-pack is here to save the day and your sanity. This incredible Bluetooth tracker makes finding lost items a breeze, turning frantic searches into quick recoveries for everyone. What truly sets AirTag apart is Apple's precision finding, leveraging ultra-wideband technology to guide you directly to your item with uncanny accuracy. Imagine seeing the exact distance and direction on your iPhone, practically like a radar for your lost valuables. Getting started is ridiculously simple with one-tap setup. Just bring your AirTag near your iPhone and it's paired and ready to go in seconds. Plus, with its IP67 water and dust resistance, you don't have to worry about a little splash or dirt ruining your new favorite gadget. If you're looking for the best Bluetooth tracker and peace of mind in 2025, definitely check the Amazon link below for the latest price and amazing deals on this Apple AirTag 4-pack. Its seamless integration within the Apple ecosystem and Find My network makes it unparalleled for anyone using an iPhone, offering robust security and privacy. For the value and advanced tracking capabilities, especially for multiple items, this 4-pack is an essential purchase to keep track of everything important to you. Stop losing your stuff. Grab your Apple AirTag 4-pack today. You won't regret this fantastic electronic upgrade.